In this video, you will learn how to define variables and enter data in SPSS data editor window. Launch IBM SPSS statistics. Data editor window is displayed. Click on the variable view appearing in the bottom left corner. The variable view has 11 column headings. They are name, type, width, decimals, label, values, missing, columns, align, measure, role. These column headings allow you to define properties for each variable. The first column is variable name. There is no restriction on the length of the name. You are suggested to give a meaningful name. However, there are certain rules for naming a variable. The name should not start with a number. There should not be any blank spaces in a name. You can use special characters like underscore, hyphen, period, capital letters, small letters, etc. However, avoid period at the end of the variable name. Create two variables, annual income and job stress. Annual income is a categorical variable and measured on nominal scale. Job stress is a scale item and measured on scale. You can expand the column width to get a clear view of variable names. Next, select the type of variable. Type describes your input value for particular variable. Click on the empty cell. On right corner of the cell, you will find a box with 3 dots. This is an options box. Click on it. Variable type dialog box appears on screen. From different options like numeric to string, select one that best describes your input type. For annual income, select numeric and click OK. The next columns are for widths and decimals. The default for width is 8 characters and the default for decimals is 2. Length of width, that is 8 characters, include length of decimals too. So, you can enter only 6 digits in a width and 2 digits in decimals. To change this, click in the cell. You will find up and down arrows. Click the up arrow if you want to increase the number. Click the down arrow to decrease the value. Alternatively, you can simply type the desired value in the cell. Next comes is labels. Label allows you to provide detailed information about your variable. You are recommended to write a detailed description about each variable in label column. This is very helpful because labels are shown on analysis output results. For annual income variable, type label as annual income of the respondents. Next, move to values. This column allows you to assign values and labels to variables. Click on the cell and click Options square box. Value labels dialog box appears. In the value box, type 1 and in labels, type 10,000 to 20,000 and click Add button. One value is assigned to variable. In data view, you just need to enter 1 if respondent's income group is between 10,000 and 20,000. Add one more value to this variable. In value box, type 2 and in labels, type 20,000 to 30,000 and click Add. Second value is assigned to variable. You can add as many value labels as you desire. Once you are done with adding value labels, click OK. You can copy and paste value labels. If the same value labels need to be entered for multiple variables, simply copy value labels, select cells of all other variables and paste. Value labels are assigned to select variables. Next, in missing value column, you can define how the missing values need to be treated. You can specify a range for discrete numbers. Next, align. Align allows you to specify how the data will appear in the cells. Click on the cell. From drop-down list, select left, right, center. For numeric values, select align right. And for string, select left. And for single digit numeric values, that is scale points, select align center. Next, measure is used to define your variable's measurement scale. Click on the cell. It lists 3 measurement types: scale, ordinal, and nominal. Select one that describes your data. As you are measuring annual income, to group or categorize respondents, select nominal. And for job stress, select scale, because job stress is measured on a 5-point scale. And finally, role. Role shows how the data is arrived, either input, target, partition, split, etc. Once you are done with the defining variables, move to data view. Variable names appear as column headings. From your survey responses, type values in appropriate variable cells.